What is something you're doing right now just to keep someone happy? Maybe it's a yes you really didn't want to say, or an outdated version of yourself. Maybe you pretend to be someone you're not, day in, day out. And what's the price you pay? I can tell you what it cost me. For a long time. Almost everything. My energy, my joy, my creativity, a piece of myself. Every time. Every wrong yes chipped away at the things that really mattered for me. My values, my time, my ability to breathe without feeling heavy. I don't know, do you hear the noise outside? That has to start, of course, right now. Why can't it be just perfect? Whatever. There was a time when I said yes to a lot of things that I didn't want to say yes to. And I lied to myself and I said, I have to do this. It's the smart thing to do. It's the nice thing to do, the kind thing to do. But deep down, I knew it wasn't right. And I started to feel resentment and the resentment, my God, is it not too noisy? The resentment started to creep in. And I would also catch myself thinking, and I thought, why the hell did I do this again? Does this sound familiar? That feeling when you have said yes, but it doesn't sit right, and your gut actually wants you to say no, and you just bulldozer over yourself? That voice inside whispering, this isn't what you want. This doesn't suit you. It's wrong. It's not nothing. It's you telling you to stop giving yourself away. What if you said no the next time? Not because you're being difficult, even though some people will perceive it as that, and maybe you will lose some people over it, but because you finally realize that a yes should be yours. It should come from within. And I know it's not easy, but it's worth it. The right no feels really liberating. I hope that was useful for you. Have a lovely day and leave in the comments what you said no to today. I'd be happy to hear from you. Tschüss.